everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick review of OpenAI Deep Research. Now, OpenAI Deep Research is a relatively new, specialized capability designed to perform in-depth, multi-step research using publicly available information on the web. Unlike standard chatbot responses that relies on pre-trained data or quick search queries, Deep research is built to conduct autonomous, detailed investigations. Now, when it comes to purpose, it tackles complex queries requiring thorough analysis and synthesis of information from diverse online sources, including text, images, and PDFs. It's aimed at users who need comprehensive, well-documented reports, such as professionals in finance, science, law, and research. How does it work? It is powered by an optimized version of their upcoming O3 reasoning model. Deep Research plans its approach, searches the web, analyzes findings, and synthesizes them into a structured report. It is designed to be intuitive, adapting its search based on the information it encounters. The key features are multi-step reasoning, extensive source analysis, information synthesis, citation and transparency, time intensiveness. Yet it does take longer than standard queries, typically 5 to 30 minutes, to provide a more in-depth results. So when it comes to this performance, benchmarks suggest it performs well on tasks requiring complex research and synthesis, outperforming previous models on certain matrices, like humanities last exam, which tests expert-level knowledge across various subjects. However, like other AI models, it can still face challenges with hallucination, information consistency, and generating truly novel analysis. When it comes to availability, it's currently available to users on certain paid tiers of ChatGPT with varying usage limits. In essence, OpenAI's Deep Research is an ambitious step towards creating AI agents that can perform sophisticated research tasks, aiming to save users significant time and provide detailed source information on complex topics. So you can give it a try, OpenAI Deep Research.